This is Sunday the 13th of January. This is Annie. This is one of those little battery operated balls that likes to wobble and make a weird noise every now and then. Annie just loves this. Ooh, somebody. I'm not looking at you. Look, I'm ignoring you. Yeah, you've been caught being silly. You're supposed to be a serious schnauzer. Did it quit? She turned it off, didn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Well, you turned it off. What good is that then, Annie? I had to turn it on. If it turns off, she just quits. Hey, maybe it only goes so long and then it stops. Probably so it doesn't run down if you forget. Kill it, Annie. Kill it, kill it. The thing wobbles and moves. Oh, it's still moving. Look at that. Get it, Annie, get it. Get it. Annie, where is it? She likes the camera. Annie, did you get tired of it? Oh. Ooh, hey, you're something. You're way too silly. She doesn't want any people to see her being silly. Ooh. Did she turn it off? Oh, it's gone.